In this video, I will show you how to change video background color in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now here is my video. Right click on the video, go to copy. So click on this timeline, right click and paste. So now I duplicated the video. Now align the video in center. Now select the first clip. Now hide the first clip. After you hide the first clip, now select the second one. Go to this remove background and click on this auto remove. So now allow it to be removing your background. So after it finished removing the background of the video, now go ahead and unhide the first clip. So now select first clip and go to this video basic, scroll to down. So and go ahead and check on this canvas. After you check on the canvas, click on this arrow beside and click on this section. Go and click on this color. After you select the color, now go ahead and select the color you want to use. For me, I want to use, let's say, red color. After you select the color, click on this mask. After you click on the mask, go up, add mask. So now select this one, rectangle, and then come down and click on this option, reverse. So now take this arrow to back like this. So now I change the background. If you want to change the background to other color, just select the first clip, go to video, basic, scroll to down. So here you'll be able to see different background. So go ahead and choose the background you want to use. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.